Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Wink token, and I will do technical analysis on both pair, Wink USD pair and Wink BTC pair. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is the most requested video by my user. That is why I am making this video. Wink token is currently, this is the coin market cap page of Wink, and it is currently trading at $0.001874. Price of the Wink increases 15.26% in just 24 hours in USD price, in USD pair, and in BTC pair price increases 13.73%, and in ETH pair price increases 13.23 pairs. And this is the website. Let me please show you the website, and let me please tell you what is this project is. Actually, this is the website, and this is the Wink is a gaming platform. You can play online games and you can earn rewards and many things you can do on this network. And this is a Tron based token, and I think this token has huge potentials. That is why I am making this video. And please do your own research before investing in this token, because this video is just for informational purpose. I will not responsible any of your investment loss or financial loss, because this video is just for informational purpose. Let me please show you some statistics, and after that I am going to do technical analysis of Wink on both pairs, Wink USD and Wink BTC pair. Market cap of this token is $587 million, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1.5 billion, which is $1.5 billion, which is very, very huge. And circulating supply of this token is 3.1 trillion. And let me please show you some other statistics. Wink price is 0.001874, and 24-hour price gain is 15%, and 24-hour low price of this token was 0.000146 and market cap of this token is here you can see $586 million. Let me please show you some other statistics. All-time high of this token was on April 5, 2021, and the price was 0.000296.5. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, and the price was 0.00004145. Wink return on investment is very good, 344% to its holder. This is the circulating supply of Wink, and this is the total supply of Wink, and here you can see. And let me please show you some what is the Wink. Wink is a gaming platform for users to play, socialize, and stake across multiple blockchains ecosystem that leverage the Wink token as the native digital asset within the platform. What is the Wink token? Wink token is a TRC20 utility token built on Tron blockchain. Within the Wink platform, Wink is the token used to incentive active participation from key stakeholders, developers, and users. And because this is a gaming token, and I think this token has huge potential, and because of the two reasons, because it is a TRC20 Tron based token. First reason is that, and second reason is that this token is a gaming token. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get this link of Binance. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And if you want to buy, if you want to open Bybit and Hotbit exchange account, these are the links. Let's dive into the charts, and let me please tell you what are the targets. This is the Wink USDT 4-hour Binance chart, and it is currently trading at $0.001891. This is the resistance zone, $0.00212, and this is the all-time high resistance is at horizontal resistance is at $0.002955, and these green lines are the support zones. Let me please show you something which is very, I think, useful to all of you, because this is very important thing. Let me please show you. Let me please do this. From March 2021 to April 2021, in this 20 to 25 days, this is the period of 13 March to 8 April. Let me please show you what kind of profit this token gives to its holders. And let me please arrange this chart. And after that, I will definitely tell you. Let me please do this. In this 20 days, this token gives 20 to 25 days. This token gives 1200% profit to its holders. Yes, 10x. 12x. 12x, 1275%. This token gives 1275% profit within just 20 to 25 days. In my previous video, I was told you that this was the video of the Wink token, and in that video, I was told you that Wink token can easily hit 12x, maybe 20x in this 2021. And here you can see how beautifully it hit my target. Many congratulations to all of you who collect this token, who buy this token, and after that they are in huge profit. Let me please do technical analysis, and let me please tell you the targets. Actually, it is struggling to break this horizontal resistance. Once it breaks this horizontal resistance, in that case, our first target will be like this. These targets are immediate short-term target for this token. Our first target will be like this, and our second target, let me please tell you. After hitting this target, our second target will be, once it broke this horizontal resistance is $0.00296, then our second target will be this zone, 0.00379. You can say 0.00378. And let me please arrange this. Here you can see. These are the immediate short-term target for this token right now. And let me please tell you what are the long duration target, I think, medium duration, and according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, our first target will be this zone, $0.00324. And this will be our first target according to the Fibonacci retracement. According to the Fibonacci retracement, our second target will be $0.0029, and our third target will be $0.0048. Let me please tell you what is the medium duration target. I think this token can easily hit. I think so. Please do me a favor. If you are new and watching this video, please thumbs up the like button right now. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please join my Telegram channel too. I think this is very realistic target, 550%. This token can easily hit within 6 months, I think. Within 6 months, this is the medium duration target. This token can hit $0.01240, and it can give you 550% profit. And I think this token can give you, this is the second target. I think this token can hit easily. In this bull run, this token can hit 0.02 and can give you again 950% profit. And this is the final target of 2021 bull run. Please note down these targets. And before investing in this token or before buying this token, please do your own research. I will not responsible for any of your financial or investment loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let me please show you the WIN BTC pair, and let me please do technical analysis on this pair. Sorry for that. BTC price of this token is just 3 Satoshi, and let me please show you. 3.27 Satoshis. This is the price, current price, and this is the upside resistance is at 3.8 Satoshis, and this is the upside horizontal resistance which is at 5 Satoshis. Our first target will be once it broke this upside resistance. In that case, our first target will be this. $52 Satoshis, our first target. And according to the support and resistance basis, our second target will be this. 62 Satoshis. And let me please show you very informational thing, and let me please tell you. From 10 February to till now, let me please show you what kind of gain this token give in BTC pair. Approximately 13 to 15x easily this token give in this just 2 months. And let me please show you my medium duration target for this token right now. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. According to the Fib retracement tool, our first target will be this zone, it is 40 Satoshi, and our second target, it is 4 Satoshi, and our second target will be this zone, which is 5 Satoshi. These are two targets, and let me please tell you what will be the next target. This is 6.2 Satoshis, this is 5.2 Satoshis. These are both a medium, immediate short-term target for this token right now for me. And I think within 6 months, this token can easily hit, according to the Fib retracement tool, 200 Satoshi. Sorry for that. It is 20 Satoshi. Sorry for that, this mistake. 19.8, or you can say 20 Satoshi, and 5x is easily, I think I am expecting in this pair, in this BTC pair, win BTC pair, and this is target of 6 months, and I think within 2021 till end, I think this token can easily give you in BTC pair, I think so 10x is very I think very achievable target. This token can easily hit this target, and this is the target, 37 Satoshi, or you can say 36 Satoshi. This is the target. These are 4 targets. 5.2 Satoshi medium immediate short-term target, 6.2 Satoshi immediate short-term target, 20.3 Satoshi, this is the 6-month target, and 37 Satoshi, this is the target of 2021. Friend, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button, and please join my Telegram channel because I regularly post charts and updates and price target on my Telegram channel. And if you want to buy this token, please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me. Take care.